Welcome. This is a standing Pilates workout. We'll be twisting, getting into spinal flexion and spinal extension, and a shoulder pump near the end. I'm Tucker. Welcome to McCrazy Fit. We'll begin with upper body work. I'm standing up straight, feet hip width apart. Think about the outside of the ankle being in line with the outside of the knee and the hip and the shoulder and the ear. And with an inhale, lift straight arms overhead. Exhale back down, palms are facing the body. Again, inhale up. Exhale down. Let's stay tight in the core. Careful not to overarch the lower back as the arms come overhead. Feeling the upper neck muscles, the traps, and the shoulders lifting the arms up. And then the muscles on the side pulling the arms back down. One more. And again, keep the arms up. Let's bring them right behind the head. So fingers lightly touching the back of the head. And gently press back with the head into the hands. Give me a little bit of upper back extension. And come back to normal. Let's do that a few times. So I'm gently pressing the head back, lightly squeezing the shoulder blades together, and then back to the start position. And again, maintaining a nice steady breath. One more. And now I want to move into a little bit of spinal flexion, upper spinal flexion. So just round the upper back and come back again. Let's keep a nice steady breath. Not hinging in the hips at all. Imagine there's a wire going right here and I'm just curling my chin up over that wire. And back to start. And again. Good. And now to the right side. Nice bend. And center and to the left. And I'm not falling to the side, but think of a wire running under your armpit and curling over that wire. I'm reaching long with the top of my head, lightly pressing my head into my hands. One more each side. Good job, keep it up. Last one. Back to center, we're going to put those all together. So we'll lightly press back with the head, squeeze the shoulder blades, round around to the right. Upper spinal flexion forward. And then over to the left and back to start. Stop and let's go the other way. So we're gently coming over to the left. Flexing forward. Rounding around to the right. And back up. Good. Switch directions. We're going 5 each way. No movement in the hips. Hips are steady. All parts of the feet contacting the mat. Maintaining a nice breath. I'm going to go inhale with the back extension, curl over. Exhale with the spinal flexion, around and back up to the inhale. Good. Almost there. Great job. Keeping the elbows behind the head. All right, here's our last set. Still breathing. Excellent. Good, and last one. Back to center, release the arms down to the side, and let's roll the shoulders back and forward a few times. And come back to a neutral standing position, arms at the sides. Inhale the arms perpendicular to the body. Exhale, keeping the hips facing forward, twist to the left. And inhale back to center. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale back to center. Good. 5 each way. Hips are not moving. Hips pointing forward. I think of one of my old action heroes. The legs stayed in place, but right above the belt, the little guy twisted back and forth. Well, that's me right now. Feet are planted, hips are not moving, spine twisting. 2 more each way. Let's twist a little farther. Good. And a little farther. Here's our last set. And to center and release the arms. Let's give them another roll. And we'll put those movements together into a standing saw. Here we go. Inhale the arms perpendicular. Exhale, twist to the left. Now we're just flexing from the upper spine. The hips don't move. And I'm not bending over. And back to center and to the right. And bend. Up, back to center. Again, we have that wire going right here. I'm just bending over the wire. And to center. Good. Here's 2, 5 on each side. Good. Keep going. Strong shoulders. Let's twist a little farther. And upper spinal flexion, thoracic spine. Keep those hips pointed forward. Here's our last set. Good, last one. Back to center, drop the arms. And let's move to the lower body. Inhale, shift all the weight to the left leg. Exhale, lift the right knee into a 90-degree angle. And inhale back down. Weight shifts to the right leg. Exhale to lift the left leg. 5 on each side. Let's keep going. Keeping everything as tight and still as possible. Dropping that lower leg right where we picked it up at. Good, keep breathing. Strong ankles, strong feet. Great balance. Excellent. Keep breathing. Inhale down. Exhale up. Here's the last set. Exhale up. Inhale down. Good. Bring the arms in. Up overhead. Shift the weight to the left foot. Exhale, bring the right knee up. Drop the left hand perpendicular to the ground. And back to start. And then left knee, right hand. And back. Good. 5 on each side. Exhale. Inhale back. Exhale. Inhale back. Good. Don't round out here when we come together. And don't overarch as the arm comes back overhead. Excellent job. All right, 2 more on each side. Then we'll really start having some fun. Last set. We're going to go right into a standing single leg stretch. So right knee comes up. Let's swing those arms around. Give me a little bit of spinal flexion. And straight back. Left knee, swing the arms around. A little bit of spinal flexion. And back. Keep going. So I'm not bending over at the waist. I'm curling with the spine. Little curl. And back. Same movement as a crunch. Same movement as the spine stretch forward. Thoracic spinal flexion. Good. 2 more on each side. Nice and slow. Rest of the body stable. Only thing moving here is the legs, the arms. and a little bit of upper spine flexion. Good, let's go one more on each side. Last one. And arms back down to the side. And that's a different perspective on a single or double leg stretch. Let's shift all the body weight to the left foot. Lift the right knee up. Exhale, keeping the hips forward. Move it over across the plane of the body. And inhale back to center. And exhale over to the right. Inhale back to center, good. Steady breathing. And it's okay to lean up against a wall for a little extra balance. We'll continue progressing until we just get better and better at each exercise. I need to focus here. Looking at one spot can help. Let's go one more each way. Hips are stable, pointed forward this whole time. Internal, external hip rotation. Good. Bring that foot down. Body weight shifts to the right. Left knee up, 90-degree angle. Exhale across the body. Inhale to center. Exhale out. Inhale to center. Good. Keep going. Nice steady breath. Pulled in here in the midsection. Maybe if I keep my eyes directly on you. Good. Let's go one more each way. And down. Excellent. Going to move into full-on knee circles here. So same movement. Coming up. Going to start with an exhale and just a little pelvic tilt. So I'm just pulling in the midsection. Knee comes up just a touch. So I'm exhale, pull it in. Inhale, bring it out. And exhale back around. Stop, and let's go the other way. Inhale. Exhale around. Boom, other way. 5 each side. So at the top, I'm pulling in. Coming over, down. Careful not to overarch the back. And around. Careful not to round out the back as the knee comes up. So over, down, around and up. Good. And switching sides, switching rotations. Excellent. 2 more each way. So as the leg comes down, I'm not overarching. As it comes up, I'm not rounding the back. Here's the last one. Good, and down. Switch legs. Knee comes up. Exhale, slight pelvic tilt, pulling in at the midsection. And then inhaling, around, down, exhale, back up. Switch directions. I have a laser beam on my knee. And I'm drawing a circle on the wall. Hips are stable, pointing forward. Halfway there. Good job. That foot is strong, the ankle's strong, knee is strong. Good, here we go, last set. Around and up. Excellent. Lower that. And I'll turn long ways on the mat. Feet are still hip width apart. Inhale, pull in the belly. Exhale, bend the knees, move into a sitting position. Slight bend at the hips and arms coming straight in line, overhead in line with the body. Inhale back to standing. Again, exhale. Arms come up, knees bend. Slight bend at the waist, reaching long with the hands. And inhale back. 3 more. Excellent. Careful not to overarch the lower back at this bottom point. Feeling all the muscles in the side Bringing the arms back to the sides, keeping the shoulders down. And let's stay in this down position here on the last one. Inhale to prepare, exhale, twist the spine to the left. Inhale back. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale back, good, keep going. Reaching long with the arms. Nice steady breath. Tighten the core. Pulling in the belly. 4 more, let's twist a little farther. Hips are stable. No movement in the lower body. Good, last one. Back to start. And now, keeping the knees bent, let's bring the arms down to the side. Palms facing the floor. Squeeze the shoulder blades. And back up. And again. Bring them down, squeeze the shoulder blades. Feeling flex in the rear shoulder. And back up. And again, exhale. Squeeze the shoulder blades. Little bit of upper spine extension. And inhale back. Exhale. Good. One more on this last one. We're going to pump. Pump at the bottom. Shoulder pump. And here we go. Pump. Staying tight in the core. Little bit of upper spinal flexion as the shoulder blades squeeze together. Breathing at a steady pace. Nice strong legs, strong feet. Using those shoulder muscles to pump. Let's count down from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the arms, stand up straight. We'll face forward. Let's cool down. Arms perpendicular. Rotate the hands clockwise. And in the other direction. And again, rotate them clockwise. Nice stretch to the shoulder, bicep, forearm, wrist, and rotate them the other way. Stretching in the shoulder, tricep, palms facing forward, left arm across the body, bring it in, and back out wide. Right arm across the body, bring it in, nice stretch in the shoulder, and back out wide. Right hand up and over, reaching long. And out wide, and right arm up, over, reaching long. Good, lower the arms. Gently look to the right. Exhale and gently look to the left. Inhale and exhale back to center. And that'll conclude our workout. Excellent job making it all the way through. Support the channel by liking and sharing the video. The Amazon affiliate links for all of my equipment are in the description. If you click on them and make a purchase, I get a small commission at no extra cost to you. Here's my full Mat Pilates playlist. Find the workout that's best for you. I'll see you there.